As most people in our community are aware, each anniversary of the tragedies on 9/11, we host a brief ceremony involving first responders where we lower the flag. And because of COVID, we were unable to have that assembly, but we did have a brief ceremony this morning involving some of our first responders as we lowered the flag. We didn't want to have this day go by without acknowledging the service of those responders 19 years ago who ran toward the dangers in New York City and elsewhere. It's especially important that we acknowledge the work of those individuals and all people who sacrifice on our behalf. We enjoy these freedoms because of the great work and sacrifice of many others. And for their efforts, we are thankful today. And we acknowledge, again, the tragic events that took place 19 years ago, but we must never forget that, especially as we have students that were not here during those years. Thank you.